Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'm putting Google Gemini's free image generation and enhancement to the test against HitPaw Google Gemini 4K powered model to see which one does a better job of restoring a blurry image. And I'll also share the prompt I used to enhance the image quality. You can copy it from the description or the pinned comment and try it yourself. First, let's test Google Gemini. Go to the official Google Gemini website, then select Images from the left-hand menu. Upload the blurry image, paste my prompt, and send the request to Gemini. After a few moments, Gemini will generate the enhanced image. And now, let's compare the before and after and see how much detail we can actually recover. Next, let's try HitPaw. You can download it for free using the link in the description. Once you're on the main interface, go to AI Generator and upload the same blurry image. Paste the same prompt, but there's one important step here: remove 4K output from the prompt. Then, select the Nano Banana Pro 4K model and generate the image. And here's the result. Once again, let's put the original and enhanced versions side by side and take a closer look at the details. So, which one performed better? Google Gemini is completely free, while HitPaw gives you access to a dedicated 4K image generation model for enhancement. Which result do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more AI tools, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.